Okay, so kind of working on videos. Brian put the one out the other day from the backyard, vermin stuff. Been pretty slow. On top of being shut down for the deer season, basically 2 weeks. Just crazy with life in general. Between the weather and the kids and basketball and cattle and Brian's been busy at work. Just haven't been really gotten out much at all. Um, Got out this past weekend and had a actually complaint call on Tuesday and hunted there Saturday night and called in a coyote and killed her. Um, she came in, it was maybe 45 minutes in. She came in and she was going so wide back out to the north to go around so far. Was trying to get so far downwind. She was actually heading out towards the main road where we were hunting on. So kind of pushed my shot as far as that goes, like being rushed. Obviously, I wanted her to be closer, but she wasn't coming closer, at least not directly. And I really didn't want to wait for her to get so far north that we couldn't shoot for safety reasons, obviously, back towards the road. And there's some houses up along the road eventually there. But so kind of rushed, felt a little bit rushed, and I shot. And I don't really know what happened. The first shot I missed, and it was gusting pretty good. And she was a little bit ways away is kind of what we're thinking maybe happened. Anyway, so I missed the first shot, and she only ran about 50 yards, and fox bang keyed up. And as soon as she heard those yipping pups on the fox bang that Brian's got keyed up, she stopped and took my second shot and missed my second shot. So at this point, I'm kind of going, what's going on? Kind of almost shocked that she hadn't gone down. She went maybe another 30 or 50 yards, and my third shot finally hit her. She went down right there, moved around a little bit, and I ended up grabbing my gun and tripod and got closer and ended up having to finish her off. Not exactly sure where I hit or how. I will be shooting my gun again before we go back out, just to make sure that it was me and not the gun, which is the case 99% of the time. So that was good. It was good. That was it though. We went to 2 more spots. Another spot that a friend of ours has been hunting and seeing coyotes. I mean, multiple times she's seen them at this hut property. And we couldn't get anything else to move the rest of the night. Not a peep, not a flash of movement. I mean, nothing. We saw 3 deer at our third spot. So we are trying to get out. Obviously busy with the Christmas season here right now, but Avery's chomping at the bit for a red fox, so we're going to try and get her back out a couple more times. And just keeping after them. We have gotten a couple other calls, and people sending us trail cams with them on them. So we're gonna be keeping after them, and we're gonna try and get our content back at you guys. I know we've been pretty slow as far as posting anything or making any videos or pictures. So don't think we're not trying. We're just a little bit busy. Again, if you could like and share and subscribe our stuff, it's always really, really appreciated. And if we don't see you before, you guys, everybody have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay safe, everybody. Hope you have safe travels if you're driving to and from. And we'll be hopefully getting back with you guys before that. If not, for sure after the new year, we're gonna keeping after them. So thanks again for your support, and we will be in touch. Dang it. I don't know what happened on the first two. Is it down? Is it staying down?